Plateau is located within the borders of Gölyaka district. The altitude of the plateau is 1400 meters. Brandy Plateau is a set of plateaus where the joy of the nature merges with the ride of the colors and the sounds of the water mix with the sounds of birds. The plateau, covered with lush green grass, also has a natural and cute pond. Brandy Plateau, which has become a frequent destination for tent camping, hiking, and photography enthusiasts. Plateau is 220 kilometers away from Istanbul. We reached Brandy by 3-hour drive. Road is twisty after exiting highway, and the scenery is breathtaking. After having our breakfast, we started our photography tour. All the photos that you see are straight out of Camera. There is no post-processing. I have shared the recipe that I used in the description section below. Parked our car and starting hiking to Balıklı Plateau. We walked terrific fire roads, reached Balıklı Plateau and take these wonderful photos.